Hey everybody, this is Sean at Chester Paul Company coming at you again with a product line that is unique and something you should know about. You probably already hear the name and know the name, but today we're going to teach you a little bit more about it. It is Doulton water filters, and we have Tim here,
Hi.
Who is the North America sales manager and been with Doulton for over 10 years, so he's up to speed on this product.
Well, hi Sean, thanks for inviting me here today. It's a pleasure for me to talk to you about Doulton ceramic water filters and how you guys might want to use the products in your day-to-day business.
To remind you, it's a unique opportunity. Not everybody is out there selling a ceramic type cartridge. Most of them are double open end, so your typical housing, knife edge seal will seal on the O-rings on either end, or you have a candle mount design which will thread into the cap of your housing. They are depth cartridges, so water does flow inside through the ceramic, through whatever other media is packed inside, and then out your housing. Tim, if you want to talk about a little bit of the uniqueness of the ceramic.
Okay, thanks Sean. Yeah, as Sean said, this is a micro-porous ceramic filter, so it's the uniqueness. Why should you use a Doulton filter? It's a bacteria-capable filter, so we're mechanically filtering out bacteria and cysts from your drinking water. We've got some ceramic, some silver in there that's embedded into the ceramic, and that acts as an antibacterial, sort of bacteriostatic. Unseen to you, there's a carbon block on the inside as well, so that's going to deal with your chlorine taste and odour. And we've also got lead removal media. So you've got an NSF certified lead removal capability here in one compact filter housing.
Talking about that, so you have different options. This is a quick change housing with the ultra carb lead reduction. So you can mount this underneath your sink, 3H quick connect. It's a very simple change. You know, if you want a certified product, it comes in one simple package, just plumb a faucet, plumb a feed, and you're done. The cartridges are also washable, so if this does load up with dirt, heavy sediment flow, you can just simply scrub the outside and reinstall it and you're good to go. You guys also do a ton of work with humanitarian purposes, like in Haiti and different places around the world where they don't always have you know, natural springs like we do here in Los Angeles.
That's right. Sean, yeah, we supply a lot of the ceramics to the aid agencies and the NGOs. They typically would use our ceramic within what's known as a gravity filter system, where water through the force of gravity would come through the ceramic and it would take out the harmful disease-carrying bacteria. So we're pleased to support those guys and work in post-natural disasters, humanitarian situations, refugee camps, to keep people safe in those environments.
So besides keeping the rest of the world hydrated, it's a very unique offering you can bring to your customers. Again, it's a small package. You're not taking up a lot of room, but you're offering a pretty dynamic range of reductions of contaminants, pathogens, bacteria in the water. Mike behind the camera here will flash up and probably already has a handful of claims that these cartridges come with. They all are certified, and you know, it's a simple, easy install that carries a pretty big punch as far as bacteria and other health claims. So, you know, thank you for coming out today, Tim. Any last bits of wisdom?
Well, thanks for your time today and for the opportunity to talk to all your customers about Doulton and what we can do for you. And just like to make everybody aware that we're pleased to work with Chester Paul as the sole distributor of Doulton products for the wholesale and the pro channel in North America. So thanks for your time.
Thank you, Tim. And Tim will be joining us at the WQA show coming up here in Vegas. I think it's the week of the 21st of April. So come check us out. We'll have all sorts of fun stuff there. And thanks again for watching. And for any more information, check out chesterpaul.com. Have a great day. Maybe you don't use. That's what we're here to do. That's what we're here today to do to you. Start that over. So more of your typical add-on, but with your, I'm just rambling, technical claims that this unique cartridge can offer you. Welcome, Tim.
Hi, Sean. Thanks for being here.